All right, everybody, Bryce here, coming at you with another real quick crypto market update. Holy smokes, this week has been much needed, much appreciated to the Bitcoin and the crypto gods. This has been a huge bounce in the market. Bitcoin finally trading above $75,000. I saw this morning it hit as high as $78,000 before pulling back slightly, and Ethereum's trading even stronger. Briefly traded above 2,500. Now it's around 2,450. This is a really, really good sign in the market because these aren't just arbitrary numbers. These are very key horizontal resistance points that have capped price all year. So we're making new yearly highs, okay? That's a really key point, okay? It's not, again, just some arbitrary random number. Oh, we're at 75K. No, it's a resistance point that has now finally been smashed through. So the bears who have been capping price at 75K and at 2,400, those bears have now capitulated, and the buyers are more in control. This is a really, really good sign. And what's even a little bit more encouraging is that we're seeing breadth in the market. What's breadth? Not breadth, but breadth, meaning wide distribution of returns, not narrow distribution of returns. So we have many, many, many altcoins participating in this rally. I've seen some coins up 50, 60, 70% on the week. Okay, that's a really, really, really big bounce. The likes that which we haven't seen this year, certainly haven't seen since this war started, and what now seems to be ending. We've got this ceasefire, right, between Lebanon and Iran and Israel and America, this whole complex in the Middle East. Things seem to be simmering down and not simmering up, which is good. We're seeing talks about these negotiation points that might be closer to reality. That's all good stuff. And this has all now caused the Strait of Hormuz, which is, again, this narrow oil waterway choke point in the Middle East that has 20% of the world's daily oil that flowed through it prior to the war beginning. That's opened back up for a number of reasons. Iran, America, everybody saying, okay, we're going to get this show back on the road. Enough of this closure. Iran needs it open for oil for their economy. China wants it open because they import apparently 90% of Iran's oil exports are going to China. So China wants it open. The U.S. has got this blockade. So, okay, we're not going to get too drugged down into the politics and the macro geo stuff that's going on. But what's important is that oil prices are crashing down lower. And when oil prices crash down lower, we tend to see risk assets like stocks and crypto rally, right? They have an inverse relationship. And so this is a really, really good thing because not only is crypto good, but the overall market, the stock market, is doing really well. In fact, the S&P has had like a 99.9 percentile return over the course of the past 10 days. We've never had pretty much a 10-day period as good as we've had in the market to go from dead lows all the way to new all-time highs. The NASDAQ is up, I think, 13 days in a row, consecutive green days. So it's just been a really, really historic bounce in the market. And this is what you want to see. Again, as a bull. If you're a bear, if you got caught on the sidelines and you're all in cash, this is definitely not what you want to see. But I've been long, encouraging, my friends and family and stuff to stay long throughout this turbulence because, stocks go up, crypto has drift higher. This is a really good thing that we want to see. And there's a lot of reasons, on the fundamental side, crypto's not just going up for no random reason as well. We saw Morgan Stanley launch their Bitcoin ETF, and it was a landmark thing because it carries the name Morgan Stanley Bitcoin Trust. And that's really big. But moreover than that, they came out, I think yesterday, 2 days ago, they said they've taken in over $100 million since launch, okay, over the course of about a week. They said it's the most successful ETF launch they've ever had. That's big, okay? That just goes to show their advisors who control $6.5 trillion of assets under management for their clients. They now have this Morgan Stanley product that's approved and that they're starting to dollar cost average into. Again, this is big because JP Morgan has been tracking the Clarity Act as well. The Clarity Act is this landmark regulation and rules, legislation, right, that is kind of getting passed through Senate and Congress and so on. JP Morgan's report just said yesterday that they think that this is on the finish line. Okay, all these sticking points between stablecoins and yield and the banking lobbyists versus the crypto lobbyists, they said that they think this is at the finish line. And then Senator Lummis, who is the main, proponent or main author of these, the Clarity Bill, she's saying that this is 99% the way there. So that's really good. And you've got this just incredible, mixture of, the regulation and the institutional stuff lining up, because we also saw Charles Schwab, again, Uncle Chucky Schwab, who's, one of the largest brokerage account providers in America and internationally. Schwab, they're huge. They just announced, again, yesterday, that they're going to be providing crypto accounts to their clients who ask for it. Basically saying, if you want crypto on your Schwab account, you're going to be able to have it. You're going to be able to trade, starting with Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I'm sure over time, as they get more comfortable, they'll roll out more. But Bitcoin and Ethereum trading on Charles Schwab is huge. And we just saw the New York Stock Exchange. There was a big report from the Wall Street Journal. They just said the New York Stock Exchange is going all in on crypto for some of the acquisitions and some of the incredible headway that they're making into the crypto market with some 24/7 trading experimentation on blockchain. Their parent company, ICE, Intercontinental Exchange, acquired a big share of Polymarket, which is a prediction market based on blockchain and crypto. So this is all good. And then last but not least, we had Goldman Sachs just announce that they're launching, not yet, but they're going to be launching their own Bitcoin ETF that has a covered call strategy. So it's basically you could own Bitcoin and the product automatically sells covered calls against it to generate income on the volatility of Bitcoin. So this is a perfect storm for the bulls. And again, I'm not saying we're going to go straight up in a straight line, because for the past 10 days, we've pretty much gone up in a straight line. So I think there will still be some pullbacks. I think you'll be able to get in. So don't, rush and go, all in, because we could get, a substantial pullback. I think that's on the table. Where could we come back down to? I mean, I wouldn't be surprised to see us trade in the, low 70s, 71, 72K. I think we could probably get some bids in there. Who knows if this, craziness escalates again in the Middle East, then things could get out of hand. So again, I just want to say be prudent, but I'm bullish long term. If you look out 6 to 12 months where we're going to be in stocks, in crypto, when you have this strong of a thrust, you just tend to see a really, really, really good 6 to 12 month period. I've been looking at some research from the Carson Investment Research Group, from Fundstrat, from Creative Planning. I mean, very, very large research firms on Wall Street, RIAs, and everybody's getting really bullish on this sort of volatility crash that we've seen. I think the VIX fell like 40% over the course of a couple of weeks, which is a really good sign for stocks. Again, oil's crashing. This is great. Okay, so I want you guys to have some exposure. Not too long, because again, you want to save some dry powder if there are some of those vicious pullbacks, which tend to happen after you get these big runs. But overall, things look good. I'm excited. I'll see you guys on the other side. Happy and safe trading. Oh, and by the way, if you don't already have a service where you could get actual insights, trade alerts, newsletters, video courses, everything that you need to master and dominate the crypto market, if you don't have something like that but you want it, then I've got a great deal for you, because for $1, I'll give you a 1-week trial to Crypt Nation. Come enjoy everything that we have to offer for a week. If you're not enthused and totally in love, then hey, no worries. It was just $1. So what do you have to lose? $1. What do you have to gain? True mastery of the crypto markets, which could be your entire financial future set up on a golden or a silver platter for you. So I'm really excited about what we've got. Again, $1, 1-week trial. Hit the orange button below and enjoy. Okay, we'll see you inside.